The Apple iPhone 16, expected to be a flagship release in 2024, is anticipated to push boundaries in terms of design, performance, and features. Here's a detailed breakdown of what might make the iPhone 16 one of the most exciting devices from Apple's lineup. Design and build. Apple has always set the bar high when it comes to smartphone design, and the iPhone 16 is expected to continue that tradition with subtle but significant refinements building upon the sleek, industrial design of its predecessors. The iPhone 16 may feature a lighter and more ergonomic design. Rumors point toward a titanium frame that is both durable and lightweight, giving it a premium feel while also enhancing the structural integrity of the phone. Apple may also introduce even thinner bezels, giving users a more immersive experience. The rear of the phone will likely retain the frosted glass finish introduced in earlier models, offering a sleek, matte surface that is both resistant to fingerprints and luxurious to the touch. The camera bump could become slightly more refined, blending more seamlessly into the design, while still housing powerful sensors with several colors anticipated, including traditional options like space black and silver, along with more adventurous choices like midnight blue and sunset gold. The iPhone 16 will cater to a wide range of aesthetic preferences. Display. The iPhone 16 is rumored to feature an upgraded OLED display, possibly branded as Super Retina Extra Pro, with improvements in both refresh rate and brightness. The screen size may hover around the 6.1-inch mark for the standard model, while the Pro Max variant could offer a 6.7-inch display. One of the standout features will likely be an adaptive ProMotion display that dynamically adjusts the refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz depending on content being viewed, ensuring buttery smooth transitions and animations without compromising battery life. Another expected upgrade is increased brightness levels, making the display not only more vibrant and colorful, but also easier to view under bright sunlight, with a potential peak brightness of 2200 nits. Additionally, rumors suggest that Apple will further refine always-on display (AOD) technology, offering even more customizable widgets and live activity tracking that doesn't drain battery significantly. Performance. At the heart of the iPhone 16 will likely be Apple's A18 Bionic chip, which promises to push mobile performance to new heights. This chip is expected to be manufactured using TSMC's 3nm process, making it more efficient and powerful than ever. The A18 is rumored to feature 6 CPU cores, including 2 high-performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, along with a 6-core GPU. The upgrade will lead to faster app launches, smoother gaming performance, and better multitasking, allowing users to seamlessly switch between apps without any lag, with machine learning and artificial intelligence becoming integral to Apple's ecosystem. The A18 will also likely bring improvements in AI/ML tasks, such as enhanced on-device processing for tasks like image recognition, Siri interactions, and augmented reality experiences. Camera system. Apple has consistently been at the forefront of smartphone photography, and the iPhone 16 is expected to raise the bar even higher. The camera array will likely feature 3 lenses on the Pro models: a 48-MP wide lens, a 12-MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12-MP telephoto lens. There is speculation that Apple may introduce a periscope zoom lens on the Pro Max, offering up to 10x optical zoom, allowing users to capture stunning detail from long distances without sacrificing quality. The night mode on the iPhone 16 is expected to see further enhancements, offering brighter, sharper images in low light conditions. With improvements in AI-driven computational photography, the iPhone 16 could deliver more realistic portraits, sharper HDR shots, and better focus control in challenging lighting environments. ProRAW and ProRes video capabilities will likely continue to be a major feature for professional photographers and videographers, offering them greater flexibility in editing and post-production. Video recording could see upgrades in frame rate and resolution, with 8000 video becoming a potential feature on the Pro models. Software and features. The iPhone 16 will ship with iOS 18, which is expected to introduce several new features and refinements. One of the key features will likely be improvements to Dynamic Island. First introduced in the iPhone 14 Pro, this interactive cutout will become even more versatile, supporting more apps and providing real-time updates for activities such as navigation, music controls, and notifications. iOS 18 is also rumored to improve the lock screen customization options introduced in iOS 16, with more widget options and live wallpapers that adapt to the time time of day, Apple's focus on privacy and security will continue with enhancements to on-device processing for sensitive data, more secure authentication methods, and improvements to Face ID, which might include expanded functionality even in landscape mode. Apple Vision Pro integration will likely be a key focus of iOS 18, enabling iPhone 16 users to interact with Apple's mixed reality ecosystem. This could open up new possibilities for augmented reality apps and experiences, especially in gaming, education, and professional settings. Battery life and charging. One of the perennial concerns with smartphones is battery life, and Apple is expected to address this with improvements in the battery efficiency of the iPhone 16. The combination of the 18 Bionic Chin display and Pro Mixon display is likely to result in better power management, giving users a full day of usage even with heavy tasks. In terms of charging, MagSafe technology will continue to be a focus, with improvements in charging speeds. Expected rumors suggest that Apple may introduce 35W fast charging, allowing for quicker power-ups when using MagSafe or wired chargers. There's also speculation about improvements to reverse wireless charging, which would allow users to charge their AirPods or other accessories by placing them on the back of the iPhone. Connectivity. The iPhone 16 is expected to support 5G, with further enhancements to antenna design and modem performance, ensuring faster and more stable connections. Apple may also introduce support for Wi-Fi 7, the next-generation wireless standard, delivering faster data transfer speeds and reduced latency for gaming and video calls. Additionally, ultra-wideband technology will likely be further refined, allowing for even more precise location tracking with Apple's Find My network. This could improve experiences with devices like AirTags and interactions with Apple's expanding smart home ecosystem. Sustainability. Apple's commitment to sustainability is expected to be a key talking point for the iPhone 16. The company has made strides in reducing its carbon footprint, and the iPhone 16 may feature more recycled materials in its construction. Along with more energy-efficient components, the titanium frame itself could be partially recycled, and Apple's ongoing push toward removing harmful chemicals from its supply chain will be highlighted in the marketing of this device. Price and availability. As always, Apple's pricing will likely position the iPhone 16 as a premium device, with the base model starting at around $999 and higher tier models like the Pro Max crossing the $1,299 mark. Storage options are expected to range from 128GB to 1TB. With prices scaling accordingly, Apple will continue to offer trade-in options, making it more accessible for existing users to upgrade. Conclusion. The iPhone 16 is shaping up to be a highly anticipated device, blending cutting-edge technology with Apple's renowned attention to detail. Its 18 Bionic chip, periscope camera technology, improved battery life, and refined design are all expected to set new standards for what a smartphone can do in 2024. For those entrenched in Apple's ecosystem, it will be a must-have upgrade, and for anyone else, the iPhone 16 is likely to be one of the most compelling phones on the market, offering a balance of performance, design, and future-proof features that will keep it relevant for years.